Gautam Gambhir didn't really have a conversation with Virat Kohli during that session. Rohit Sharma, as yesterday, came in late for batting, having done more of the work in the fielding session. Shubman Gill with Gautam Gambhir assessing the pitch, assessing the conditions here, which have changed as days have progressed. Hello and welcome to TUI Sports. This is Tanuj Lakhina. Right behind me is the Edgbaston Cricket Ground, which will host the first of the three ODI series between India and England. On Monday, July 13th, is when India put their final touches before the series gets underway. Everyone, the entire squad was here. After 2 days of just 7 members being here, the entire squad made its presence felt. The entire 15-member contingent was here, including Shreyas Iyer, the T20 captain, including Virat Kohli, including Shubman Gill, the ODI captain, including Rohit Sharma, the entire bowling contingent, including Prince Yadav, who has come in as replacement for Harshit Rana in the ODI squad after Harshit picked up an hamstring injury. So this is where things stand. As far as the practice was concerned, everyone did their job. Shreyas wasn't involved in the net session, in the batting session. Rest of the entire squad, rest of the contingent was involved. Gautam Gambhir, the Indian team coach, had a lengthy discussion with Sutanshu Kotak, with his entire coaching staff, with Rohit Sharma as the net session wore on. Rohit Sharma, as yesterday, came in late for batting, having done more of the work in the fielding session, and as he joined later for the batting session as planned, he spent a considerable time facing the sidearm specialists, facing the sidearm bowlers. So that was the net session was usual. There was nothing particularly noteworthy about it, except maybe Shubman Gill having a long chat with Gautam Gambhir, first right near us, right behind us with the pitch, and then assessing the pitch, assessing the conditions here, which have changed as days have progressed. In the practice session, Rohit Sharma and Gautam Gambhir had a long chat, maybe discussing the way forward, maybe discussing the strategy during the ODI series and how things will progress. Virat Kohli had a lengthy chat with Sutanshu Kotak as he got done with his batting session. Virat Kohli gesticulating multiple times, as he does, usually. Quite an animated character, Virat Kohli. So Gautam Gambhir didn't really have a conversation with Virat Kohli during that session, but maybe he passed the message along, maybe he passed the points across to Sutanshu Kotak. Before the practice got underway and before everyone put in their hard yards, there was a press conference involving Shubman Gill, the ODI captain, who talked about multiple things, how the T20 and ODI formats are entirely different, and that it's important to disassociate, and they would start afresh after the debacle in Ireland and then in England. Shubman Gill was asked what was the discussion with Virat Kohli 2 days back, a lengthy 30-minute, 40-minute conversation that happened between the duo. And Shubman Gill spoke rather revealingly that the conversation revolved around what could be the plan as far as the team composition is concerned, how they could set up, how they could line up, how they could progress going forward. He revealed how the conversation centered around the 2027 ODI World Cup and how the team could shape up, could set up, especially the batting unit, which has looked a little jittery during the T20 series, but how they could plan better and sort of form a cohesive unit going forward in the next year for the ODI World Cup is concerned. So that was an interesting revelation by Shubman Gill, which probably hints at Virat Kohli's inclusion in the 27 ODI World Cup. He was also asked why these questions about Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli keep popping up, especially given their contribution to the Indian team. So Shubman Gill was categorical that we have a young squad, and the experience matter. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma bring in plenty of experience, and it's not just about the skill that you bring to the table, but it's also about the experience, especially in a tournament such as the ODI World Cup, such as these extravaganzas, these marquee competitions. So it's not just about being good with your skill, it's also about how you handle pressure. And these two stalwarts of the game have been there, done that in multiple formats, in multiple tournaments. So if you have this sort of experience at your disposal, so you should take it rather than going with a fresh squad, a young squad. Stay with us on TOI Sports YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, the website. Keep reading, keep watching. This is Tanuj Lakina signing off from Edgbaston in Burma.